Number 10312.
Yeah.
Finish by the posters.
Okay. 10312. So we're in the ship. Now let's go find our room. Where's the ticket? 10312. 2 bunk beds, cabin.
Got 3 hours before it's cold.
Yeah, I know. We're on and it's don't leave till 8 o'clock and it's only 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna go for a walk around. Oh, we're at the end.
On board? Why not? Okay.
That's not open yet. That is. It's a bit windy.
Not as cold as the last time, I think.
No, yeah, it was colder last time. Over there is the Humber Bridge. You can't really see it.
It's cold, but not freezing.
It's another floor above us. Yeah, no, it's not freezing, is it? It's not freezing cold. This is the bar area. I think we say this every year, Pete. It'll be alright out here in the summer.
Yeah.
And we never come in the summer, we always come in the winter. The smoking area in there, you see the guy in there? That takes you to the bar. Yeah, it's a sun deck, but we always come in the winter when it's buy one get one free. This whole trip's cost us about 40 quid each. 20 quid each way, so buy one get one free. I think that's the entrance to the bar. There's another bar through there, you see. This is the main bar.
Exchange, yes, that you already changed.
Yeah.
Okay, go very.
Is it?
It's a Nikon.
You see, this is the main bar area where they have the band on, you see. They'll have a band on there. This will all be full of people. There is a little casino somewhere, yeah. I think if you go up there, it takes you to the bar where we've just been. There's your casino. There's like a poker desk there. Machines. I might have a go on the machines.
Yeah.
There was a little table here last time. Might be that here. There was one here before last time.
They put more machines.
Yeah. That says there anyway. Games machines. They're not turned on yet. Like you see, if the bar down here won't even open yet, the machines aren't on. But there will be. So they have cinemas as well. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Let me 1 second. Can you see? I'll try and put a bit of light on it. That's the cinema. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of seats. That's about as big a scun as you used to be. Was you here in the Scunthorpe then? When it was Majestic Cinema?
No.
That's about the biggest one. There's one over there as well.
It's just normal games.
There's another cinema there. Rooms again. It's got games. The ones down here turned on already. My pint of Coke was £2.30 and that was £4. £4 for a Bulmers. There's the bar tariff. Budweiser, £2 for half, £3.90.
Thank you.
What do you like, Pete? Whiskey? Jack Daniels?
Yeah, Jack Daniels, yeah. I like it.
Can't see it. No, Jack Daniels, £3.30. And they also have that, don't they? What's that? No, the cocktail menu. Cocktail menu. So, although it's more expensive than probably, oh mind you, £2.30. How much would you pay for that in town? About the same?
Yeah.
More, isn't it? Yeah, it's not that bad actually, to be honest. Reasonable price. Say you only ship, you can't go anywhere else, can you? So that's how much food is in here. £16 for a piece of fish. Steak burger, £12.50. That's alright, isn't it? Should have gone there really, Pete, I never thought.
Next time.
Yeah. Just been told we get there at 8:30, which is 1 hour in front, so it's 7:30 British time. Time is 7:50 PM, and as you can see, maybe we are moving. We're not meant to leave till 8:30, so we're moving 40 minutes early. I'll take you outside anyway soon and show you. Yeah, moving 40 minutes early, so that's good. Yep, we've left Hull behind. There's Hull over there in the distance there. But yep, we have set off on the way to Amsterdam. Well, Rotterdam, I think we arrive. And then it's about 90 minutes on the bus from Rotterdam to Amsterdam. And then we stay there we get there for about maybe 11, I think. And then we stay there all day, stay the night, and stay till maybe 5 o'clock the next day and then come back. But yeah, we're moving. Can't really see anything. You can see the trails of the ship below. I think it's cold. You can still see some over there. That's some stuff over there. Maybe it's end of the port or something. So we've been going about an hour now, and that's where we are. That's where we set off from. Hull. So we've gone down there, and that's where we are now, going into open water after. So it's 9:07. I think it was 7:50 we set off. So yeah, that's how far we've got in an hour and what, 17 minutes. So this is what the room looks like with the bed up. He made it. He made it up. Yep, so obviously they're just flattened against the wall, so it makes the room space. So this is the room. So as you can see, we're arriving in Rotterdam. It's about 8:10, so another 20 minutes, half an hour before we actually can get off the ferry. Got a got a coffee. These got a coffee. Actually slept alright, didn't you? In that bed it was alright. It was quite comfy. Good sleep. So we've had our passports checked. Now it's straight outside to one of these buses. This is Rotterdam, I think. One of our buses is there. Easy enough? Easy enough?
Yeah.
So yeah, passport check straight out now to one of these buses, which will be Amsterdam. It says on it anyway, doesn't it? Rotterdam, Amsterdam. Right, I better get my ticket out. Let's get on the bus.